so many messages from the people that they don't know how to download Pycharm and run on Linux. So I'll tell you how to download the Pycharm. So you have to open the web browser and write down Pycharm over here, and as you can see the first link, click on the first link, and this will take you to the home page, and from the home page you'll see a download button. Click on the download button, and there are two versions of Pycharm, professional one and the community one, and you have to download the community one version because it's recommended for this video. So download the community version, as I've downloaded the community version. So just click on your terminal or open your favorite terminal and write down cd downloads, and you'll see a tar file of Pycharm. So to extract the tar file, write down tar-xvzdef Pycharm and press enter. So it's extracting the file, so it will take just 1 or 2 seconds. So as you can, the file is extracted. So move this file to another destination, Pycharm to etc opt. So you can check the file is moved or not. Yeah, the file is in etc opt, and just ls over here, cd Pycharm ls and cd into bin, and then ls and then cd, not cd. Now you have to put the full stop, a / and write on the Pycharm sh, and then press enter. Now a new window will pop up. Yeah, it's loading a project for me. So I'll just let's make a new project and just keep it name Pycharm, this window. Okay, no problem. So just right click over here and make a new py file, text file, and write print text. So it's showing a message that no interpreter for this project, so you just have to click on settings over here and no interpreter, and choose one interpreter for here and click OK. And now we will run the file again. Yeah, it's run.